YouTube, I'm back. It's been a while, but I want to do a review on this wireless hair dryer. It's a LYLUX cordless hair dryer. It's a pretty penny, but it's honestly worth it. I haven't used it yet. As you can see, I took the plastic off. Still has the plastic on here and all around. Oh, there it is. Pretty strong, and honestly, oh, there's two sections. So there's the, I guess, like cold or hot, and then like how strong you want it. See if it focuses. There we go. And then the cold, hot, whatnot. So my wife freaked out because it's 160 or so, and I originally have this one that's kind of like the Dyson, and she picked this one out for me, but she freaked out because it's 160, and I told her I was going to return it, but I don't think I am, because who wouldn't want a wireless blow dryer? So it does come with this, so you can have this attachment to it. I heard that if you had the Dyson and they have other attachments, that works too. I do have more attachments for the other blow dryer, but I honestly have them put away somewhere. I honestly love the colors. I rock. My favorite color is green, but when it comes to stuff like this, I like to have everything in red. I don't know why, but I do like. But I do like the red color a lot. So I want to show you what else comes in the box. Charging station or charging dock. Then a bunch of little knickknacks like instructions, whatnot, and then like how to clean it and things like that. Also comes with a bag, I guess, for like you traveling barbers. You can put your thing in here, which is pretty neat. It's nice. I mean, you can use it for other stuff too, not just that, but honestly I think this is a pretty good buy. It's pretty sturdy. Probably put it in the bottom of my station there. Well, yeah, what I'll do is I'll use it today on my nephew. I haven't recorded a haircut in a while, so I think I'm gonna do that, and then I'll let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, thanks, stay tuned.
After all these years ends were beginnings. What keeps a planet spinning? The thoughts from the beginning. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise our bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. The present has no rhythm. Your gift keeps on giving. What is this I'm feeling? If you wanna live, I'm with it. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise our bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. Ooh, we're up all night to get lucky. Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Staring at the bottom of a glass, hoping one day you make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. You see her when you close your eyes, in slow motion in my foolish lover's game. In this endless motion, finally, lovers know no shame. Turning and returning to some secret place inside. Watching in slow motion as you turn to me and say, take my breath away. Take my breath away. Take my breath away. Take my breath away. Watching, I keep waiting, still anticipating love. Never hesitating to become the fated ones. Turning and returning to some secret place inside. Watching in slow motion as you turn to me and say, take my breath away. Take my breath away. Take my breath away. Take my breath away. Through the hourglass I saw you, and time just slipped away. When the mirror crashed, I called you and turned to hear you say, if only for today, I am not afraid. Take my breath away. 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 For your love, when I think about those nights in Montreal, I get the sweetest thoughts of you and me. Memories of love above the city lights. I try so hard to take it, but oh Lord, my heart would make it. I just wanna stop and say what I feel about you, babe. I just wanna stop and never wanna leave without you, babe. I just gotta stop for your love. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long, your heart's been aching but you're too shy to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. I just wanna show you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long, your heart's been aching but you're too shy to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never wanna make you cry, never wanna say goodbye, never wanna tell a lie and hurt Looking back over my shoulder, I can see that look in your eye. I never dreamed it could be over. I never wanted to say goodbye. Looking back over my shoulder, with an aching deep in my heart, I wish we were starting over. Oh, instead of drifting so far apart. Everybody told me you were leaving. Funny, I should be the last to know. Baby, please tell me that I'm dreaming. I just never want to.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns